Hi everybody, welcome to Hobson Heights. This afternoon, I'll be showing you a really nice and large 3-bedroom apartment in a pre-war building. Let's walk around. We got hardwood floors and high ceilings. This is the living area, and as you can see, it got an open plan kitchen, which means the kitchen and the living area are integrated. Stainless steel appliances and a dishwasher. The living area also has this area where people can put a dining table. Right here is one of the bedrooms. It's the smaller one. It can be used as an office or as a child's bedroom. Got a closet. Good view. Now let's take a look to the master bedroom. As you can see, it gets plenty of light. It also has a closet. And believe it or not, this apartment has 2 bathrooms. This is bathroom number 1. And right here is bathroom number 2. Amazing. And this is the last bedroom. Also has one closet. This is an elevator building with a laundry facility and on-premises super. The A train is just 2.5 blocks away. If you have any questions about this place, please just let us know. We'll be very happy to assist you. My name is Adribel Ruiz, and thank you so much for watching this video. Enjoy the rest of your day.